If you have been looking for how to make profit in bar soap business, make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's establish our ingredients for this production. Tallow 70 gram, palm kernel oil 76 gram, water 73 gram, caustic soda 73 gram, perfume 10 ml, sodium lactate 10 ml, sodium silicate 10 ml, glycerin 15 ml. Let's start the production. We'll mix the oils together. Stir it and make sure it mixes well. Then you add your caustic soda. We have already mixed our 30 grams of caustic soda with 73 grams of water before starting this production. Mix it well and make sure the caustic soda blends with the oil completely. Stir it till get to a trace. When you are making this soap, especially for business, you have to make sure the soap is properly done. That means you have to mix for a longer period of time so that everything will blend together. Unless if you are using machine. Let's add glycerin and stir well. If you have been watching my video for a very long time, you will know much about glycerin. Glycerin is the one that helps you to protect your hand from peeling when you are using the soap. They add perf and stir very well. Perf helps the soap to smell nice so that when you use it to wash clothes, your clothes will smell nice. Add sodium lactate. Sodium lactate helps to make the soap stronger. Stir it completely mixes with the solution. Remember, you are making soap for commercial purpose, so you have to stir very well. Let's add our sodium silicate to the solution and stir. Remember, 5 ml of sodium silicate. Stir until it mixes well. Stir very well. For you to make gain in this bar soap business, you have to use your normal oil like palm kernel oil. They use tallow, that's animal fat, because tallow is cheap while palm kernel oil is expensive. So you have to use tallow and palm kernel oil so that you can be able to make profit while selling the soap. If this is the first time you are seeing my video, my name is Chibikem. I'm a content creator and a soaper. If you are enjoying this video, hit the subscription button and like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other users. Make sure you turn the soap into your mold immediately you finish mixing. Don't leave it and start doing something else because the soap can solidify. So this is the outcome. This is after 6 hours. You can see our soap is ready. Very hard and smooth, and it foams very well. If you are watching this video and you want me to make any type of video for you within this niche, just write it in the comment section. Any type of video at all, as long as it's in my niche, just tell me, I will make it for you. I made a video on how to make long lasting soap, so if you are interested, click the link on the screen to watch it.